Bro, Higgsfield just dropped a mind-blowing feature, and honestly, this changes everything. Until now, creating ads for your product or business meant spending huge money. Filmmakers, editors, actors, voiceovers, the whole expensive package. But with Higgsfield's new Click-To-Ad feature, you don't need any of that. You don't need a studio. You don't need equipment. You don't even need a script writer. All you need is one product URL. Paste the link, and Higgsfield automatically turns it into a fully produced professional video ad. It's literally magic. Look at this Adidas ad. I made it in 5 minutes. I just went to the Adidas official website, copied the URL, pasted it into Higgsfield, and boom, the entire ad was ready. Clean, professional, engaging. This is the kind of work brands actually pay for. Here, check this Audi example. Super cinematic, smooth transitions, perfect voiceover.
There's only one winner in the battle of generations, and it's not always the loudest or the most cunning. It's the one who knows when to strike, the one who knows when to retreat, but breaks into battle once again, the one who commands the elements, power and reliability, the one chosen by the true beast.
Burger King, pure fire. Pepsi, that one looks like a full-blown agency commercial. And look at this Tesla ad, completely next level. Every single one looks like it's made by a top-tier production house, but it was generated in minutes. That's why I'm calling it a total game changer. That was just the demo. Now let me show you a real practical example, step by step, so you can see the true power of this tool and decide if it's worth it for your business or clients. So first of all, this is the Higgsfield website, and you'll find a bunch of different AI tools here. But for now, we only need one feature, Click-To-Ad. Just click on it, and it will take you directly to the tool's main page. Here, all you have to do is paste your product link and select the template. Higgsfield will automatically analyze the URL and create a complete video ad for you. Let's see how it works. For example, I'm going to paste the Burger King website URL. Once I enter the link, I simply click Continue. Now Higgsfield starts scanning the website. It pulls all the product images automatically, reads the brand colors, identifies the brand style. Everything is done on its own. You don't need to explain anything manually. After analyzing the link, it extracted the Burger King description, images, and brand guidelines completely on its own. And if you want, you can edit all of these details, add more images, adjust text, or change brand elements. Let me add one more image here. The more images you add, the more accurate and visually strong your final ad becomes. For now, I'm adding just one additional image. You can also customize your product details and brand guidelines if you want. Once everything is set, just click Continue. Now you'll see a variety of templates for your ad. Which template you choose depends on the type of product you're promoting. For this one, I feel the Viral Chaos template fits better, so I'm selecting that. Scroll down a bit and you'll find the video model options, Standard, High, and Premium. These directly affect the overall ad quality. For the best output, I'm selecting the Premium model. This model is extremely powerful for generating cinematic ads. Once you select it, Higgsfield starts generating your video, and it usually takes around 10 minutes or less. And my result is ready. Bro, this output is solid. It built the entire ad based on the template I picked, and it clearly uses their top-tier pro models for generation. The visuals, transitions, and branding look extremely professional. Now let's test something different. For example, I'm using the URL of this Japanese snack web page. Same process. Paste the link, and Higgsfield automatically extracts the product images, description, and branding. Here's the result it created. And again, it looks really impressive. And if you don't like the first result, no problem. You can edit or completely regenerate the ad by switching templates. Let's say I pick the luxury template this time and click generate. Now check out this result. Honestly, this one looks even better than the previous version. So depending on which template you choose, Higgsfield tailors the entire ad style accordingly. Now there's another really useful feature here, the build from scratch option. Let me quickly show you how this works. Just click here. In this mode, you have to enter everything manually. Your product name, product description, images, brand guidelines, everything. But honestly, it's extremely easy, especially if you're using ChatGPT. So let's say my product is called Wintro, which is a winter clothing brand. I'll simply tell ChatGPT, I want to create an ad for my product, a winter jacket. Product name, Wintro. Give me a detailed product description. Wintro is the best jacket for heavy winters. Please write a full detailed description. ChatGPT gives a perfect detailed description within seconds. You just copy that description and paste it into Higgsfield. Then add your product name as well. Next, you need product images. For this demo, I'm downloading example images from Google, but you should always use your own original product photos for real ads. After that, add your logo and your brand colors. Again, I'm adding a dummy logo just to show you the process. Once everything is filled in, scroll down, choose your video model and hit generate. And boom, Higgsfield creates a high-quality commercial from scratch. Remember, I only gave it 2 dummy images, and still it produced a pretty solid output. Just imagine the result you'll get when you give real product photos, multiple angles, and proper brand assets. It will look absolutely professional. So yeah, this tool is 100% worth trying. It's fast, powerful, and the results speak for themselves. If you want to try it yourself, I've dropped the link in the description. Check it out, experiment with your product, and trust me, you'll be surprised by the quality. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you in the next one.